Next, the problems on subset of a set and power set of a set and intervals. Right? First one is write down all the subsets of the following sets. Here the two sets are given. A is an empty set. So what is the possible subset of a given set? A is empty means there is only one possibility of subset is empty. Means the possible subset is only one, that is possible subset of empty set is only, that is the empty set is the subset of itself only. Next here it is A equal to 1 and 2. That is the number of possible subsets are, that is 2 raised to 2, generally 4 subsets are there. What are the subsets? Therefore the possible subsets are the given set and the empty set and singleton 1 and singleton 2 are the possible subsets of this set having 2 elements. In generally, that is 2 raised to 2, that is 4 subsets for A having 2 elements. Next here is how many elements in P of A if A is equal to empty set. As you know already, the power set of A is the subset of all the set. The set of all elements in the given set is called power set. It is power set of A has generally 2 raised to n elements. Okay, that is A is equal to empty means A is empty means there is no elements. Okay, set having no elements means the number of elements is, if you n replaced by 0, that is 2 raised to 0 means the number of elements in P of A is 1. The number of elements in P of A is 1. Okay, that is the only subset, that is pi is the only subset. It is next problem, write the power set of the following sets. It is A is equal to singleton A. It is total number of elements in power set of A. A having n elements, as you know, 2 raised to n. Here it is n is number of elements in 1. Therefore, the number of subsets are 2. Okay, that is what are the power set of A having 2 elements. That is total set A and empty set is the subset of that is given set. A is equal to singleton A. Okay, in similar manner, that is A having 3 elements, in generally 2 raised to 3 elements. That is 8 elements which including the power set of A. That is power set of A is 2 raised to 3 elements. That is 2 raised to 3 means 8 elements. Okay, what are there? That is total set A and empty, then singleton A, then singleton B, and singleton C. Okay, then set having AB, then set having BC, and then set having C comma A are the elements which are in the given power set of A. The following sets, that is rows to the form into intervals. Okay, that is first here is x such that -5 is less than x, less than or equal to 7. That is including 7, excluding -5. Okay, this is definitely as the interval, as you know, it is in the form of semi-closed interval, or it is that is x including, that is x belongs to, that is open interval of -5, closed interval of 7, closed interval of 7, open interval of -5. Okay, that's second one here. Second one, it is -6, x such that -6 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3. Both are less than or equal to, that's why this is in the form of closed interval. It means x belongs to closed interval -5, closed interval 3. Means both are included in the set.